Speaker sir, I stand in support of the cut motion and oppose the demands. Speaker sir, हांव आज TCPचे जे उलयता ही गोंयचे पोरजेची मागणी. स्पीकर सर, गोंयची पोरजी जी आहा, आज गोंयची जी अस्मिताय आहा ती अस्मिताय सांबाळपाक ही मागणी TCP मिनिस्टरा मुखार घालता आणि हेच आमी पयले मागलोले आणि कंटिन्यूस परत ह्या डिमांडांतल्यान आमी मिनिस्टरा कडेन ही गोंयचे पोरजेची मागणी आमी मांडटाय. स्पीकर सर, द हिल्स अँड फॉरेस्ट are the heritage of the people. All development and cutting of hills should be stopped forthwith. An immediate ordinance should be passed or bill introduced to make the necessary amendments to the act or relevant regulations stopping all development and cutting of hills. Speaker sir, the next one is all development must be in terms of regional plan, ODP, as long as the regional plan, ODP, is in force. The Prime Minister's promise is to weed out corruption must start here by repealing these laws. These amendments to the Town and Country Planning Act are the major source of corruption. We therefore demand that an ordinance be passed or bill be introduced forthwith to repeal all amendments to the Town and Country Planning Act, Section 17(2) and 39A, and any other cognate legislations which permit the change of zoning, which permit the change of user and or increase in FAR in those cases where the roads have lesser width than what is required under the law. Speaker sir, an ordinance be passed or a bill introduced to amend the land revenue code, which is not part of this, so we will not introduce this here. The development in the villages, towns and cities should not be allowed without the government carrying out a survey of the carrying capacity in the village. The government in its budget must provide funds for the entire exercise to be carried out initially in the villages in the financial year commencing from the 1st of April 2026. Speaker sir, people in Goa, in the cities, towns and villages are facing acute shortage of drinking water. And when there is such shortage, Speaker sir, we should avoid and stop giving permissions for any huge project, multi-storied buildings or multi-storied mega projects. Permissions can only be granted as an exemption to local residents for their residential homes and maximum ground plus one. All development must follow the principle of sustainable development. These principles should include the polluter pays principle, the precautionary principle and intergenerational equity. These principles should be made part of all buildings permissions where the cost of construction exceeds rupees 5 crores. स्पीकर सर, आज आमी जेन्ना TCPचे हे सगळे उलयता, द मेन मुद्दो इज की दोंगर कातुरपा शिरपणा शेतां जी आहाय ती पुरोवपा जायनाय. शेत जी कोण पुरोयता ते परत रिस्टोर करपाक आमकां फंड रेडी करपा जायो, तो फंड रेडी जायना. आज मिनिस्टरान सांगपा जाय लास्ट फायनान्शियल इयराक गेल्या वर्सा मार्चा एप्रिलासून ते आतां कितले रिस्टोरेशन जालां, कितली जमीन आमी रिस्टोर केल्या, कितली कंप्लेन जी येयली फ्लायंग स्क्वॉडा कडेन ती कितली जमीन परत जी रिस्टोर जाल्या हे टेबल ऑफ द हाऊसा सांगचे. आणि मुखार हेच्या मुखार जी जी कंप्लेन येताय जे जाग्यांनी 17(2) जे कित कोणे जे चेंजीस केले आणि आज कोर्टांतल्यान जे आडायले थिंग जे कोण कन्स्ट्रक्शन कॉमेस करता शेत पुरयता आणि गांवच लोक जो बोवाड घालता की नाक म्हूण थिंगा ते लोकेशनाचेर कित डिसिजन तुम्ही घेयले आणि कित कोतले ते हे सांगपाची गरज आसा. बिकॉज सर, a lot of cases are there under 39A आणि हे 39A चेर आमी सगळे उलयलो आहाय, सगळ्यांनी हेजे आमी निषेध केल्लो आणि हेजे हिंगसोन कितें जाल्यार डिसिजन जावपा जाय. पूण सद्या स्पीकर सर, आमकां आमगेले गांवान हे 39A नांवाचेर जायत जाण रात्या मध्ये येताय आणि शेत पुरोवपा लागताय विथआउट एनी परमिशन. एक भिरांत दिसपा लागल्या गांवां स्पीकर सर, कितें एक शेवाडेल जाल्यार भिरांत दिसता. थोडे दीस पयले कार्मोना गांवांत आमगे न्हंयकडे एक शेवाडेलें आणि देर वॉज अ बिग टॉपिक ऑफ डिस्कशन. आणि नाव द फियर इज दॅट की एक व्हडलो मिथ कसो जाल्लो आहा की TCP डिपार्टमेंट इज गिविंग परमिशन आणि टू फायंड आउट वेदर द TCP डिपार्टमेंट हॅज गिवन परमिशन द प्रोसिजर इज लायक कोणाकूय काय खबर ना, कित्याक इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळना. सो एवरीबडी गेट्स अवे. परमिशन दिलाय तोय ही गेट्स अवे आणि परमिशन दिना तोय ही गेट्स अवे. कित्याक जेन्ना कोणी कितें फिलिंग कॉमेस करता पंचायतीक दिसता TCPन दिला आणि कोण दिसता TCPन दिला. सो समवेअर आय थिंक वी हॅव टू ब्रिंग अ स्ट्रेट मेसेज that the TCP department is becoming serious, and this message has to come out in this house, because sir, that we want to preserve our land, we want to make sure that all these kind of projects which are affecting Goa and Goans at large do not come up. If the villagers do not want, if the Gram Sabha does not want these projects, then they should not be given the permissions and they should not be allowed. Because sir, आणि एक पार्ट हेच्या पयलीं सांगलेलें because ODP जेन्ना कोताय तेन्ना तितून लोकल MLA इन्वॉल्व आसता. आमकिंगा गांवांत म्हाका 7 गांव आसात because सर कावेलोसीम, कार्मोना, ओर्लीम, वार्का, बाणाले, कोलवा आनी सुराले. कसलोय प्रोजेक्ट येयलो जाल्यार आमी इन्वॉल्व आसना because सर वी डोंट इवन कम टू नो. आमकां एक इंटिमेशन आसना कितें फायल मूव जाल्यार कांय खबर आसना. पूण प्रोजेक्ट येयलो म्हणटरी लोक आमच्या फुड्यान येता आनी म्हणटा की इतली फ्लॅट येताय, इतले बंगलो येताय. MLA इज डुईंग दिस थिंग्स. ODP आसतना पूण MLA आसता तितून. पूण हें जेन्ना प्लॅनिंग जाता, जेन्ना TCP अप्रुवल दिता, MLA इज नॉट केप्ट इन टू द कॉपी एट ऑल. We do not have any authority over anything what is coming in the village, because and suddenly things come up with the TCP approval and everybody comes to the MLA office and tries to say, oh project eta, oh project eta. So I think there should be a clear directions, because finally when the project comes, when there is shortage of water, when there is shortage of electricity, when there is all these kind of infrastructure related shortages, that time we are responsible to make sure that the infrastructure is provided. We have to fight for the budget, yes, because आमी budget, PWD, water department, drinking water department, आम budget approve कोण घेवपाक जाय, रस्ते करपाक, pipeline layout करपाक. पूण ती pipeline कोणा पास वचपी सर, हे मेगा प्रोजेक्ट्स. आणि हे मेगा प्रोजेक्ट्स कोण पास करपी सर, आमकां काय खबर आसना. आमगे एक साइन आसना because काय आसना. So the whole problem is we as MLAs are not at all involved. We don't even know what is coming in our own village. मुगे ऑफिसात तेंकोन 100 फ्लॅट येताय, म्हाका खबर नासपी सर. So I think somewhere we have to put up a line, because the message is going clear ki MLAs are involved into this. But when MLAs are not involved and we do not have information, so you all have to draw some mechanism so that if we are going to be responsible for the infrastructure carrying capacity to ensure that everything is provided, then this information also should be passed out to our office speakers. Because I'm talking about the health speakers. Because going to Janna TCP che uleta, that time there is lot of things which people don't like, and people don't like rastyar yeli lok. And everything boils down finally to the TCP minister, and the TCP minister passes all this to the cabinet. Which the cabinet is also equally responsible, along with the TCP minister, for passing all this. Because they are involved. But now one thing what we say, the health, when it comes to health, GMC facilities जायत्यो आमगे बरी आयस because सर आनी वाडपाच्यो आनी बरी करपाच्यो. कित्याक we are totally becoming dependent on GMC. साउथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलाक आम रावताय. रावन आमकां काल मार्चाचे 10 तारखेक 4 वर्स कंप्लीट जाली. आता हे निमणे आमगेले ओरोस आहा, हेजे फाटल्यान पोतन इलेक्शन आसतली. हे निमणे ओर्स आपूण आमकां सगळ्यांक एक खुशालकायेची खबर तुवें दिवपा जाय. हे हावजांतल्यान एक डेडलायन दिवपा जाय आनी ती एक्झिक्यूट करपा जाय. आणि साउथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल should has to be upgraded, get in all the required equipment that is there, all the required facilities that are required, so that the people of South Goa can use these facilities which we are being deprived now. Because sir, I come from a coastal belt. Coastal beltak जे सब हेल्थ सेंटर्स आहे ते अपग्रेड करपा जाय. वी शुड बी गिवन स्पेशल अटेंशन, स्पेशल बजेट. वाय? बिकॉज बीइंग द कोस्टल बेल्ट वी गेट इन अ लॉट ऑफ रेव्हेन्यू फॉर द स्टेट. आमगे सगळीं हॉटेलां आहाय, टुरिस्ट येताय. वी हॅव एडिशनल डबल द लोकल स्ट्रेंथ जो आहा तेच्या डबल लोक आमगे गांवांत येता, आमगे कोस्टल बेल्टा येता. आनी जेन्ना लोक डबल येता, डबल द टायम फुटफॉल आसता, थिंग हेल्थ फॅसिलिटीजूय बरी आसपा जाय सर. सो कोस्टल बेल्टार ज्यो सब हेल्थ सेंटर्स आहाय, मुगे डिमांड आहा रिक्वेस्टिंग ऑल माय सब हेल्थ सेंटर्स टू बी अपग्रेडेड, टू गिव अस अ बजेट टू अपग्रेड देम, टू रिवाइव देम एंड मेक देम लाइक स्मार्ट health centers. Because sir, when we are talking about sub health centers, because sir, I have been always demanding in this house that all these sub health centers should have professional doctors visiting them, gynecologists, cardiac, oncologist, physio, pediatrician, ortho, eye specialist, ENTs, sub health centerang somna ek pati ya muina ek part येवपा जाय. Because sir, and in order to show that this can be done, I मुगे ऑफिसा कडेन आमगेलो मोहल्ला क्लिनिक एक पॅटर्न आमी रेप्लिकेट केले स्पीकर. आणि थिंगा एवरी मंथ there is a oncologist, every week there is a pediatrician, there is a cardiac, there is a ortho, and there is a fixed eye clinic. So I am walking the talk. So if I can do it as an MLA on my MLA fund or my CSR fund, I am sure because it is just a matter of taking initiative and getting things right. आमगे भुरग्यांक हिंगा धाडपाची गरज आहा, दोतोरांक धाडपाची गरज आहा, and these sub health centers can be enhanced. Because हेल्थ मिनिस्टरान म्हाका सदां ते हार्ट लायलो ना तांबडेलें धाकटें. सो माय रिक्वेस्ट इज ते हार्ट लायलो आहा सगळ्यांनी स्पीकर सर आनी एन्युअल हेल्थ चेकअप दिलो आहा बायलांक टिल द एंड ऑफ दीस मंथ. I had put up today in a 0-hour request that this annual health checkup has to be mandatory speaker sir. Everyone should have the right, mandatory, compulsory. मुझे तुझे गोंय जनतेक compulsory push करपा जाय. Fixed health check. मुझे इंग दुखोलें जाल्यार तूं दोतोरा बरें न्हू. Every year fixed health checkup. General साकीत गेले 200 टेस्ट आसपा जाय तितून all kind of ECGs and all parameters to be checked speaker sir, and this should be included in the DDSSY scheme speaker sir. Speaker sir, coastal belt town, I am happy and I am glad to say that we have done something very unique, and the honorable minister along with the chief minister have given us the funds to inaugurate and complete a unique project in Goa which is called as the healthcare unit, and it is बरी वस्त केली जाल्यार उलोवपा जाय हिंगा स्पीकर सर. आनी आज ही बरी वस्त कोण हाडल्या हुंचे आमदारान हुंचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन केली ना, पूण आमगे बाणावले कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन आमी हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटान मिनिस्टरा कडसून आमी करून घेयल्या, एंड दॅट इज हेल्थ केअर युनिट. म्हणजे तितून एक डायलिसीस आहा, 3 बेडीड डायलिसीस आहा, तितून एक एमर्जन्सी केअर सेंटर आहा, 24 आवर्स तितून दोतोर आसता, आनी एक तितून एक डेंटल केअर आहा. सो ह्यो तिनूय वस्तू बाराबो घालून आमी हो गोंयचो एक हेल्था मॉडेल दाखवून दिला, which was an initiative taken from my office and was executed by the honorable health minister's office, and which is something there for Goa and Goa to see speaker sir. इतू आमगेले डेंटल फॅसिलिटी इंट्रोड्यूस केल्या. इट इज अ न्यू डेंटल फॅसिलिटी. तितू ते चेअर आहा, इक्विपमेंट जाय ते अपग्रेड करपाची गरज आहा. वी जस्ट नीड टू मेक शुअर दॅट इन दिस बजेट वी कॅन गेट दॅट सो दॅट इट इज वर्किंग फुल फ्लेज स्पीकर सर. स्पीकर सर, फ्री कॅटरॅक्ट ऑपरेशन म्हाका 3 वर्स जावपा येतली. हांव फ्री कॅटरॅक्ट ऑपरेशन कोता. मुगेले MLA गे सॅलरी मेळटा आमकां. ते सॅलरींतल्यान हांव चॅक दिता आनी एवरी मंथ I am doing at least 16-15 cataract operation for the last 3 years because sir, it is there to see. My checks are there. We have got a tie up with the ASG hospitals because sir. आणि मुगे demand for the last 3 years. हांव कोता हांवें कॉमेर्स केल्ले कित्याक मुजे वयर पेज म्हाका सरकारान गेलो जाय आलो स्पीकर सर. पूण 3 वर्स जाली मुगेले सॅलरींतल्यान वयता. So the government needs to put this cataract operation under the DDSSY speaker sir. Only line लागोता speaker sir. JMC गेल जाल्यार साउथ गोवा एक cataract operation तितून कवर जावपा जाय आनी तू क्लियर करपा जाय speaker sir. I am leading an example. I am मुगे सॅलरींतल्यान हे कोता so that the Goa government can implement this, and I think we have to put this and we have to make sure that this has been done speaker sir. Speaker sir, आमी एक coastal belt आणि coastal belt म्हणटरी then the normal आमकां हिंगा एमर्जन्सीज आसता, आनी एमर्जन्सीज आशिल्ली म्हणटरी वी कॅनॉट बी वेटिंग फॉर द 108. वी कॅनॉट बी डिपेंडिंग ऑन 108 स्पीकर सर. आमकां एक एक्सक्लुझिव्ह एम्बुलन्स दिवपा जाय स्पीकर सर. कित्याक हिंगा इतुली हॉटेलां हॉटेलां कोण बरो ना जाता, कोणाक कितें जाता, सो ते रेग्युलर 108 येता म्हळ्यार इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ बिग नायटमेअर, एंड इट इज अ नायटमेअर स्पीकर सर. सो वी हॅव बीन डिमांडिंग एन एक्सक्लुझिव्ह एम्बुलन्स फॉर अ स्पीकर सर. आतां आमकां हेल्थ केअर युनिट येयलो आहा, which is an opportunity for us. थिंगा आमी एम्बुलन्स दवरपाचो पार्किंग करपाचो जाग दवरलो, whether through CSR or whether to government funds. Please, we need an ambulance which has to be exclusively for Benaulim constituency, 7 villages. How we have to do the running, functioning and all, I think we can discuss, but we need this assurance in this house during this budget speaker sir. Speaker sir, next I would like to go for women and child. Speaker sir, women and child सांगतो म्हणल्यार we need to have upgraded Anganwadi speaker sir. ये Anganwadi जो है तो upgrade करपाची गरज आहा. I have been requesting last 3 consecutive years that let us make one model Anganwadi in my constituency. I have got assurance in the past, but त्यो झाल नाय. This is we are verge of the last financial year of this 5 years term speaker sir. I would want one model Anganwadi, whether it is on CSR or government funds. Give me an assurance today. I will move up a note. I will follow up with your good office. World postpone is speaker sir, but एक model Anganwadi केलं जाल्यार that model can be replicated all over Goa speaker sir. The dream is speaker sir. आज चोयल जाल्यार 80,000, 90,000, 1 लाख रुपया तुका नर्सरी किंडर गार्डनाक घालपा सगळी ओल्ड प्रायव्हेट इस्कॉल घेताय स्पीकर सर. जोरी तर एक मॉडल अंगणवाडी करून तितून जर डिजिटलायज अंगणवाडी केली, स्मार्ट अंगणवाडी केली, प्रायव्हेट स्कुलान दोताय तसले बेंचीस, तसल्यो ओंट्यो, तसले पुस्तक बरें करून इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर केलें जाल्यार द होल आयडिया इज टू रिड्यूस द लोकल विलेजर्स टू स्पेंड मनी अँड सेंडिंग देम टू द सिटी nursery schools. We can educate them into this Anganwadi speaker sir. Speaker sir, FDA चे उलयता आसतना speaker sir, Frequent visit to the fish market has to be done by the FDA team. Wholesale market tan जायते migrant बसताय open नुस्त्यागेन. हेच्या पहिले तिंगा FDA घेऊन आई रेड माले स्पीकर रेड मात तितलो गोत आणि एक 10 दीस बस नाही स्पीकर. But that fish cannot be eaten, that food cannot be eaten. What they are saying. Total migrants एक होता है स्पीकर. We need to make sure put up a mechanism. FDA जर there is almost alternate day या सोमनाथ 2 पाट रेड माली जाल्यार हे थिंग बसपाचे आणि हे कुसलो नुस्त्या उडपाक स्पीकर. Bad fish which is not good. So हे सगळे बंद करपाची गरज आसा स्पीकर. Enhancing laboratory testing and quality control mechanism has to be enhanced into the system speaker. My last demand is with regards to the forest. Speaker sir, गोंयचे जे रान आहा, these forests are the lifeline of our state. They protect our rivers, our biodiversity and our quality of life. They are the green lung of the western coast of India. How this government manages forest and wildlife is a matter of grave public concern. The total demand for forest in 26-27 is rupees 19 lakhs 895.22 lakhs. That is, I think, 19 crores. A significant increase from last year's budget, which was rupees 16,849.95 lakhs. But we must ask whether is this money, is it being used to protect and expand Goa's forest cover, or whether it is going into salaries and bureaucratic overhead while our forests continue to shrink. Speaker sir, rehabilitation of degraded forest plantation area is budgeted at rupees 425 lakhs for 2026-2027. Of this, wages are rupees 370 lakhs. Last year, actual spending was rupees 355 lakhs. We want to know how many hectares of degraded forest have been rehabilitated in the past year. The government should place results before this house. Because Goa's forests are under attack from multiple directions. Illegal minings, encroachments by real estate, road projects through the forest land, and climate change stress. The forest department needs not just more money, but strong political will to enforce forest laws without fear or favor. The budget before us does not reflect that will, Speaker. I conclude by saying that Goa's forests are our most precious natural asset, and the amount of development is worth the destruction of our forests and biodiversity. I call on this government to genuinely protect Goa's forest and not just manage a bureaucracy in the name of forest. I strongly support my cut motions and I oppose the demands.